So guys, this market is located at Alaba. Just enter a keke going to Apostolic Plaza. Then you call the number on the description box. He will come and attend to you. Though it's actually two store we actually went to, so I'm going to be leaving the contacts in the description box. Guys, please do it to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm covering this place. They sell kitchen equipment and home appliances. So I'm going to be asking the CEO questions. Like, see stores is actually shopped up with things. So we're going to be asking questions like the usefulness of some of the things he has here, because some of them are looking too confusing on the eye. But guys, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And let me put this out here for those as a disclaimer: prices tend to change. What you have today may not be the prices you have tomorrow. Prices tend to change. So guys, do well to subscribe. Like, I'm the CEO of Somi's Kitchen Equipment. So this store is actually located in Alaba International. This is where you get import, like affordable price at your back. Like, so we're going to be asking him certain questions like of the stores, like the kitchen equipment he has here, and a lot of them. And guys, let me put this out, disclaimer, like I told you guys in the intro, prices tend to change. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel up to this point, I don't know, you want to see me your dream, you guys please help me subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, do well to like, comment. See, it's difficult, it's not really easy doing this market vlog, and you guys know that there's no money, but I'm still trying to cover up for you guys. You guys help me now, help a sister, subscribe to my channel. So see our fine CEO, you guys ask him questions.
So guys, this is slow juicer. Yeah, so does this different slow juicers, do they have like different model?
Yes, we have them in different brands.
Okay.
This is Ugasin.
Okay.
Ugasin, many customers prefer it because he can also make ice cream.
Okay.
And slow juicer, the main work of slow juicer, it brings out the shafts dry. That is, it juice out 99% of the juice.
Okay.
You get 99% of the juice. That is, the shafts comes out one side dried.
Okay.
While the juice, all of the juice, you can even juice carrots. You know, carrot does not have juice.
Yeah.
Vegetable to bring out juice from it. So
Okay.
that's why it's slow juicer.
So this slow juicer, what's the current price of this Ugason now?
Okay, for this Ugason now we sell for 65,000 naira.
So guys, this is going for 65,000 naira. Yeah. And this one,
HSZ, we sell for 75,000.
This one is going for 75,000 naira.
We also have DSP, we have Sokani.
Okay, this is the Sokani. This is the Sokani. How much is this one going for?
This one 75,000.
This is going for 75,000 naira.
80,000.
This one is going for 80,000 naira.
We have other brands. Bro.
Yes, they have other brands too. So, okay. So what next? Blenders. Let's go for blender.
Blender. We have different type of blenders.
So guys, we have different type of blender here.
We have Silver Crest.
Where is the Ken?
Kenwood.
Okay, this is Kenwood blender. Kenwood blender. Silver Crest. Panasonic. Okay. Okay, this is Sokani. Okay. So does this blender, the prices, are they different or the same?
We have this one now is a commercial blender, but we still have the industrial commercial blender. It's not here.
So guys, this is a commercial blender. Which one?
This.
All these ones are commercial blenders here.
This is single cup. This one has 2 cups.
Okay.
For dry and wet.
This is single cup. This is single cup, and this one for dry. This is also single cup too.
Double cup.
Okay, this
dry
is
and wet.
Okay. This is double for dry and wet.
You can blend both dry and wet in this single cup.
Okay, you can blend both dry and wet in this single cup. Yeah.
Bigger type, but it's in my warehouse.
Okay, they also have the bigger type, but it's in their warehouse. Okay.
And if you are looking to like
Meet me, sir, too. You have different stuff in the shop.
you want to start off like a bakery business, cake business, you need like a mixer.
Okay.
You can start, if you are starting, you can start with something like this.
Okay.
Hand mixer.
This is hand mixer.
Yes. This is a very powerful
For our
hand
bakers,
mixer.
Yeah.
12,000 naira.
This is going for 12,000
You can
naira.
become your own CEO.
Yes.
10,000
Guys,
naira.
this is the current
Yes, sir.
price. So the current price, and they sell both in wholesale and retail prices.
So
So
if you are somebody that already still getting much orders, you start with something like this 5.5 liters stand mixer.
okay.
This is a stand mixer,
So how much is this one going for?
65,000
This is
naira.
going for 65,000
We have it in
naira.
5.5 liters, 7
Okay.
liters, and 10 liters.
So this is the 7 liters.
7 liters.
Okay.
Then 10 liters is the other side.
Yeah.
This is 10 liters. And see it here now.
So this is the 10
10
liters.
liters.
So how much is this one going for?
100,000
This is
naira.
going for 100,000 naira.
78,000 naira.
And this one is going for 78,000 naira. Okay.
Then for the blender again, you can also, if your budget is not up to 30,000 naira, 35,000 naira, 80,000 naira, you can still go for this home used blender for the house, 15,000 naira. Cheaper blenders are available.
So the kettles, how about this your kettles, this electric kettle?
Okay. Electric kettle sell for 16,000 naira currently now. Currently now, 16,000 naira. Automatic, as in if once it gets hot, it also by itself, and it does not burn. It's an original 2,000 watts electric kettle.
Okay.
Then basically we have everything that you need for your house. You get everything you need for your house. If you want to set up a modern kitchen, we have luxury inbuilt materials. So this vacuum cleaner, I know nowadays we don't like stress, so come and carry it. 70,000 naira.
So this is going for 70,000 naira. Okay.
Air fryers,
So they also have air fryers too.
you need, as in you can use this air fryer without or with little oil, with or without oil.
So how much is this one going for?
35,000 naira. I have it in 6 liters,
Okay.
5.8 liters, and 8 liters.
Okay. The 6 liter is going for 35,000 naira. So I'm seeing this one here. This electric kettle. What's this? What's this one for?
Okay, it's for like hotel that makes like bulky hot water now.
Okay.
So restaurants, bar,
quantity.
yes, all this
Okay.
convention.
Okay.
There are people that get it.
So how much is this one going for?
This 20 liters now we sell for 45,000 naira. We have it in 30 liters, 40 liters, 60 liters.
Okay. So what else? So your shipping, how many days does it take for your goods to arrive?
If you are in Lagos, we
Okay.
send out the item. If you make an order now is 109. I can send out the item now, and you will get it 2 or 3 hours later, depending on your location. But outside
Okay.
Lagos, it take 2 or 3 days for the shipping.
Okay. So guys, you heard him. His shipping service, they are top notch, yeah, and very fast, very very fast. So if you are within Lagos, you will get your whatever you order for within 2 to 3 hours. It's already in your doorstep. So guys, yeah. So this electric iron, I'm seeing electric irons here. So
Those ones now are the industrial type. They are heavy duty irons
okay.
for dry cleaners. So we sell that one for 15,000 naira. This is the original Philips iron 1110. That's the model number. It's
Okay.
also 14,000 naira. Very
Okay.
very quality. But we have cheaper irons too of
Okay.
7,000 naira.
So where's the ones of 7,000 naira?
That's that TITU.
Okay, the CITU up.
7,000
That one's
naira.
going for 7,000
And
naira.
your Tiger generator can carry it too.
Okay, Tiger generator
So,
too can carry it.
recommendation.
So this is
Students
the
need it.
TITU iron going for 7,000 naira, and you can use Tiger generator. So students, we're always looking for cheap things, so you can as well go for this one. So it's really nice. Yeah. So what
Then
else?
see this food processor.
So this is food
If
processor.
you're looking to start a plantain business, yam pounding business,
Wow.
it does many things. It basically has a blender, it has a jar for yam pounding, has different mouths for different production of plantain chips, and many things. You can even grind your dry egusi there. So a lot of work.
Okay.
Yeah. It has 9
So
functions.
okay. So how about people that wants to like buy in bulk?
Yes, now you can text me on on my page. You can
Okay.
text me on my page. I would give you discounts. We have many items.
Okay.
Like we have this item now. We have it on nothing less than 100 pieces
This yam
available.
pounder,
This
right?
yam panda
Okay.
currently.
So guys, I'll be leaving his Instagram handle in my description box, so you can reach out to him in case you want to buy in bulk. Yes, they sell in wholesale and retail prices. Yeah. So they have. You can post your TikTok
Yeah,
videos. I
TikTok
mean
is
your
the
YouTube
best now,
shorts. Do you
and even
understand?
Facebook Reels. So,
Do you understand?
hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, guys, like I told you guys, I'm covering a market blog where they sell kitchen equipment and home appliances. So, guys, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Help your sister grow. So guys, I went to two stores. So that's the first store, so Miss Kitchen, and this is the second store. I'm going to leave the name in the description box because there are other things that I actually saw that you guys actually want to get. So I actually just did the cover up. So do well to check my
Okay.
description box.
So how much is this one going for? This is going for 62,000 naira. Okay. So how about this one?
That one is blender.
This is blender silver crest. Okay, this is a different model. How much is this one going for?
22,000.
This is going for 22,000 naira. And then this iron,
No, 4,000.
this one is going for 4,000 naira. Okay. Okay, small oven, 12-liter oven. So how much is this one going for? 20,000 naira. Okay. So what's this one?
Blender.
Okay, this one is another brand of blender. So wait, this one has like this. It has stainless steel throughout. Okay, guys, this one has stainless steel throughout. Okay, how much is this one going for? This one is going for 30,000 naira, and this is 3-in-1. Yeah. Okay. Okay, how about this one?
This is another food processor, big one.
This is another food processor, the big one. This is the bigger size. This is 10-in-1 food processor. So how much is this one going for?
This one, 42,000.
This is going for 42,000 naira. So how about this one?
This one, sterilizer. Sterilizer.
Okay, for what? What is it
Same
for?
barbers.
Okay, for barbers. Okay, okay. So how much is this one going for?
Sterilize, clipper, and other things.
Okay. How much is this one going for?
This one,
50,000 naira. Okay. So you guys sell like in bulk too. Okay, so guys, they sell both in wholesale and retail price. So in case you want to buy in bulk, they will as well sell to you. Okay, this is iron. Okay, this one we are not done yet. This one is how much?
This one is called slow juicer.
Okay.
This one is slow juicer. This one
Okay.
is to extract the juice very well.
Okay, this one is to extract the juice. Okay, so how much is this one going for?
This one is 85,000.
85,000 naira. Okay. So how about this pressure cooker?
This is small size of pressure pot.
So this is the small size of pressure cooker. This is 5.5 liter. So how much is good? How much? 18,000 naira. Okay, so it's going for 18,000 naira. So this one's
This one
is also blenders too.
1,000.
These ones are going for 21,000 naira each. Okay. So this is the iron. So these irons, different brand shape. Okay. So how much are these ones?
8,000.
So this one is 8,000 naira. Sonic Japan, 8,000 naira. Okay, how about this one?
7,000.
This one is Goodway, 7,000 naira. Okay. Okay, this one 6,000 naira. Okay.
Dry.
Okay, this one is dry iron. Okay, this is dry iron and this one is steam iron. So know the difference. This dry iron is 5,000 naira. Okay. And this hot plate. How much is this hot plate going for? This hot plate is going for 5,500. See the model HP3. 5,500. Okay, how about this iron? Okay, this is LG iron, 5,000 naira. Okay, so this one National Star dry iron, how much is that going for? So this is going for 5,000 naira too. Okay, what about this one? So this one is going for 7,000 naira. Okay, and this one, so this one is going for 5,000 naira too. So look at this one, look at this model, travel steam iron.
Small gen.
Okay, you can also use it in small generator. Wow. Okay, so how much is this one going for? This one is going for 6,500 naira. Okay, so how about this one, national star? Okay, same thing with that one. Okay, 5,000 naira. So what's this? This is grinder. Okay, Eurosonic. Okay, rechargeable blender. Wow.
It has USB.
Okay, that's USB cord where you can charge it.
Yes, can charge.
Okay, wow, this is really nice. How much is this one going for?
5,500.
This is going for 5,500. Okay, and yes, they have clippers here too. So if you're a barber and you are looking for a plug to patronize to buy your barbing tools, this is the right plug, and they sell at affordable rates and wholesale and retail prices. In case you want to resell, they are at your service. So how much is this clipper going for? How much? This is 4,500. Chaba. 4,500.
This one's rechargeable.
Okay, this one's a rechargeable clipper. So how much is this one going for?
6,500.
So this one is 6,000.